Model, 1990 Volkswagen Transporter T 2.5 1.9 petrol 7.8 PS camper motorhome. Body, blue, white, camper. Mileage, 101,189. Engine, 1915 cc. Transmission, 4-speed manual. Mechanical summary: this needs tiny spray of easy start to get running, it idles higher than normal. The engine is 100% perfect, but it needs the carburettor sorting out or replacing, which is a simple job. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is very clean. It's a really nice, correctly registered as a motorhome Volkswagen Transporter. First to see will definitely buy. Grin. Features: HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.